2019. Eric, good luck, man. We've seen ice. We've seen playoff tickets. Let's see one of these major quarterbacks now. Come on. I had visions of grandeur today. Pulling insane stuff out of Contenders. We've not done Contenders in a long time. What about Super Bowl ticket? Brian, you went to the show this weekend? Oh, never mind. It's 15. Never mind. I read that incorrectly. But I thought I read it as you went to a show this weekend. I know they had a show in Winchester. Right down the road. But I was obviously 5.5 hours away. Alright, come on. Hook this man up. A.A. Ron, MVP. Miles Boykin. Troy Aikman, MVP. Alright. There you go. Damn, that's a nice piece right there. 10 of 10. Dwayne Haskins. Washington football team. Let's go. 10 of 10 Haskins. Alright, that's one of the big quarterbacks. We'll take it. Joejuan Williams, Patriots. I told you, all these came from new cases. Hopefully I picked some good ones. Nice hit, E. You deserve that, man. Devin Bush. Russell Wilson inserts. Kamara. I like that Haskins. I heard some pretty good stuff about Haskins in training camp. It's been looking okay. Improvements. Mac Wilson. Cleveland Browns. Then we have a Jamel Dean. Tickets. The Sheriff, Mr. Manning. Isaiah Buggs. Steelers. And Mitch Trubisky. Championship ticket, number 299. And that'll do it. Alright, E, congrats again on the Haskins, man. Nice piece right there. 10 of 10 playoff ticket variation. I will get it all packed up and out ASAP.